lower.
Yes, it does. Things start creeping out.
You can tell it's starting to slow the traffic right here.
Yeah, it's coming right over us too. Creeping out.
Oh, look at it right here. We can see light right in the middle. My phone. Send that to the news.
Oh, you can see it further down. Look at. You can see the below the clouds. You can see it rotating and picking up
Right
stuff.
here, come here. Look at this.
No, look over to the right. You can see it picking up stuff. There's debris and stuff. Oh wow, there's a tornado over there.
Yeah.
It just. Oh wow,
Holy shit.
it's a tornado. It's ripping up part of the West Springfield right now.
Where at?
straight over
Straight
there.
across.
Oh, wow. That's wild.
Oh, it's coming in this direction. Look at the debris flying.
Right.
Right?
Traffic should keep moving.
Yeah, you know, maybe a car.
Look at that. Oh my God.
It's a tornado.
It's a tornado in West Springfield.
Oh my God!
Well, what was that? It's like some sort of
Picking
fire?
up steam. That's the debris.
No, but it was,
Yeah.
something was coming up. It's probably like the power line
This
that
is
went
coming our
down.
way, you guys. We need to. It's much
Whoa.
closer. We need to get in away from the windows.
Yeah.
That's wild.
I
see
told
that?
you, you're
That's
making
wild.
fun of me, and I told you I grew up in Missouri. I know what these suckers look like.
I wasn't making fun of you.
No. I'm not doing it anymore.
It's the darkest cloud.
Look at all that.
Oh my
debris.
God.
Wow.
Well,
It's coming this way.
I think it's died though, no?
No, that's not
look at
died.
all the
Oh
wires.
my god. It's going to the bridge. All the cars.
Holy crap.
It's hitting the river.
Oh my god.
You should go tell people, Melissa, to move away from the.
No, it's coming this way.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Look at outside.
Wrong way. Go the other way.
Oh my god.
All right.